For these purposes, let's assume a hard Brexit, where the UK is no longer part of the EEA. A lot of UK managers will have structured their operations on the basis of the European passports, which are offered by the MiFID directive, the UCITS directive, or the AIFIM directive. If those passports are no longer available to UK firms, they will need to identify alternative solutions in order to enable them to continue to offer services and provide services on a cross-border basis and to promote their UCITS products or their AIFMD products throughout the EU. The key questions which clients, and indeed prospective clients, are asking us are, what are the Irish substance requirements? Meaning, what will I need to have in my Irish operation in order for it to meet with the requirements of the central bank? Secondly, clients are also keen to know to what extent they can continue to outsource or delegate back to the UK key aspects of their operation. Many UK asset managers will already have such a ManCo or an AIFIM as part of their Irish operations, but typically they are limited in the scope of their activities to collective portfolio management. It is possible, though, for such firms to be authorised as an ancillary activity to provide individual portfolio management services. And this does at least provide an alternative to setting up a separate firm and seeking a MiFID authorisation for that firm in Ireland. The central bank have been quite vocal about their readiness for Brexit-related work. They have increased their authorisation staff, and they have indicated that as part of their contingency planning, they have made provision for the recruitment of additional staff should the need arise. They have also flagged that for UK authorised firms who are used to dealing with the FCA, that they should not be surprised by the nature and approach of the central bank's attitude to regulatory applications, and that firms who are used to working with the FCA should not be surprised by the rigour which the central bank brings to their application. Ireland is a well-established funds domicile, and we also have a pragmatic regulator who's used to dealing with the requirements of international asset managers. We are a common law domicile with English as our first language, and we have a sophisticated range of service providers, legal, audit, tax, etc., all of whom are used to servicing the needs of the international asset management industry.